Tired of chasing leads? Let's be complete honest with you. Here you will implement a proven system which will help you to bring 10k dollars of leads, or you can say 8 lakh rupees worth of clients or leads in your business consistently every month. So this is not something old tactic, or you can say the outdated script of being salesy and just reaching out to your clients endlessly. But this is a proven sales system in which we will be talking about how you can set up yourself as an authority. You will understand more about your ideal client and what type of things you can offer. So they will chase you rather than you are chasing them repeatedly. So learn the exact systems to transform your lead generation and finally command the flow of your business. So let's be completely honest. If you are watching this video, you are tired of that hustle. You are tired of chasing those leads which are not worth for your business. You are tired of endless cold outreach to the clients who are not interested in your business. You are wasting your time as well as their time. You are spending a lot of money from your business which doesn't work out. What if I say you can flip this script completely? Rather than you are chasing or searching about your clients start searching about your business, about you, and they will start chasing you. This is not something or a tactic, or you can say psychological activity. It's a 3-pillar system in which we will be placing you as an authority, in which we will be building a pipe dream in which your ideal clients start reaching out to you and they will be paying you 8 lakh rupees, or you can say 10k dollars per client consistently every month. So in the next 15 to 17 minutes, I'm going to show you what this 3-step formula works like, how you can set up yourself as an authority based lead generation system, and your business will never lack of leads in the future. So before that, subscribe to my YouTube channel and tap on the notifications, because this lead generation system will eventually help you to build your business to the eternity. Just try to ask this thing to yourself: what happens if you are not getting any leads? You will not be making any sales, you will not be making any money in the business, which shut down your business. So here you will be becoming a powerful lead. So coming to the phase 1 of this video, which is the authority lead magnet. The foundation of attracting high quality leads is to become an authority in your niche. This is not something you have a fancy title or you will be looking for fancy social media pages. No, you need to understand the exact demographics of your client, what they are really struggling from, and you need to shift your mindset from being a salesperson to a trusted advisor or a go-to expert. So you must ask yourself 3 basic questions which help you to set yourself as an authority magnet. So first question is, what unique knowledge or experience do you have that your ideal client is looking for? I'm repeating this question. What exact knowledge and experience do you possess which your ideal client is looking for? Coming to the second question, how I can consistently share valuable insight without expecting anything in return? I'm repeating this question. How you can consistently provide deep expertise and insight without expecting anything in return? And lastly, what problems do my ideal clients consistently facing and how I can become a go-to expert in that particular area? First question help you to understand what unique knowledge and tools you have in order to help to your clients. Second question will help you out to understand how you can provide valuable things rather than just being salesy, being pushy. And lastly, will help you to understand how you need to position yourself in that particular niche in order to grab those clients. When you operate from this mindset, you stop chasing the client, you stop chasing the prospects. Your prospects start getting attracted towards you, towards your business, because people are naturally drawn to the folk who know what they are, what they do, and what type of transformation they can bring. So your only shift is required from being a salesperson to a go-to expert, and these 3 questions will help you to do the same. Now coming to the second phase of this video, which is finding your $10k or 8 lakh rupees plus worth of clients. So we are defining your $10k ideal client demographic. You can't attract the right leads in your business if you don't know what exactly you are looking for. This is not something big that everyone is trying to purchase your product. You need to be super specific, because we are talking about $10k client, a client which will be paying you rupees 8 lakh from a single client. So obviously this will not be easy task, but I'm here to help you out. So I concise my whole knowledge into 3 questions which will help you to crack the exact demographics of your ideal client. And this is distributed in 3 parts. You can say the first, what is the role; second, what is the exact pain; and thirdly, what is their ideal goal. So coming to the first question, which is the role part. First of all, you need to identify who is the exact person having the right decision power, because either it can be a CEO, either it can be a director of that particular organization. Because if you don't know who is having the exact permission or having an exact decision power to purchase your product service, you will be battling here and there, but you will not be closing the deal. Second thing is the pain. What is the exact problem they are facing which make them awake at the night? This is not something we are talking about their business problem only. You need to figure out something personal which making them awake or making them feel frustrated throughout the day, throughout the night. So you need to battle those things. You need to find out the personal level issues also, as well as the business level. And lastly, the goals. What are the exact goals or the exact aspirations, top 3 aspirations they are looking for? Because if you are talking about 10 goals they want to achieve in a quarter, in a year, you will not be able to help them out. But if you have 3 priority goals, if you know what are the 3 exact priority goals they want to achieve in the upcoming quarter or in the upcoming year, you can tailor your script accordingly. You can tailor your design your product accordingly. So the more laser focused you are about your ideal client, the more easy to become a lead magnet, the more easy it becomes to effectively tailor your scripts, tailor your conversations, and attracting those ideal clients. coming to the third most powerful phase of this video, which will eventually bring those leads who are attracted towards your business and product or services, which is
Thank you for being a part of this whole journey. If you really want to kick off your sales as well as business journey and you are ready to take the next step to become a young millionaire or the first millionaire in your family, then subscribing will ensure you for your continuous learning and the right strategies, practical tips which will eventually kick off your business. So join us, a community of like-minded peoples as well as the folks who are nailing their journey. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on all notifications. Let me know what is the biggest challenge you are facing in your sales journey in the comment section right now.
content authority engine, which will automatically attract your clients. Once you identified what you are targeting and what exactly they need, then you need to tailor your content accordingly. You need to provide valuable insights and deep expertise through your content, and understand this is your authority engine. This will be the engine which is going to attract your clients and dump them into your email list or in your forms or whatever the forums you have in order to collect those leads. So you need to be super specific and you need to answer 3 critical questions in order to make a best content authority engine. Our first question is, how do I solve the most pressing problems of my clients? You must provide actionable steps, or you can say a complete roadmap how you can help them out in the most pressing problems. Let's suppose if you are watching this video and you want $10K client, I will be providing actionable answers or a roadmap to make you understand how you can get $10K clients consistently every month without spending 40%, 50% money of your budget on the content or on social medias or on advertisement. Coming to the second question is, how do I avoid common mistakes? Obviously, no matter which industry you are working on, newbies always create problems. Newbies always survive from multiple problems. So you need to make them understand, or you need to guide them. These are the problems happening in your industry and you need to avoid them in order to save your cost, save your efforts, and focus your time and energy into the right aspect. And lastly, who I can trust to help me. So whenever you guided your customer about their pressing problems, what exact issues they are facing, you guided them what are the exact newbie mistakes they can be making, which can cost them a lot of money, time and effort. Now they will be seeking for the help. Now they try to understand who I need to seek out for the help. Your sales pitch must consider some success stories about your clients working in the same industry, so they can understand you are not the newbie. You already helped a lot of clients in that particular niche, and your success stories will eventually make them understand you are the right fit who can help them out in such situations. Remember, your content is not a sales pitch. It is a engine which can set yourself as an expert in their eyes, and this is what is required to grab those leads in your forum. So don't make this mistake to always being writing a salesy content. Your content must be specific, targeting their pain points, targeting their needs, targeting what transformation you can bring, and accordingly you need to provide. So answer these 3 questions and let me know what is the most pressing problem you are facing in your sales pitch right now in the comment section. Coming to the phase 4 of this video, which is strategic visibility. You need to make your content seen by the right folks. If wrong folks are consuming your content, you will not be getting quality leads. And let me tell you, if you thought that Pranshu, your questions helped me to understand about the demographics of my client and I can create a content which literally brings client, yes, you got those questions, but still this is only the halfway to become a lead magnet which will serve your business to the eternity by $10K clients, or you can say rupees 8 lakh what client. Content is only the half part. If your content is not getting seen by the right folks, you will not be getting those leads. They will not be engaging with your content, and ultimately you will be losing all the efforts you made till right here. So again, I'm going to help you out how your content can be seen by the right folks, because I was also worked as a social media marketer, so I truly understand how social media can help you out in such scenario. First of all, you need to answer 3 questions for yourself: the platform, the language, the connection. So you can understand from the platform part is, you need to figure out what is the exact social media platform or the forum or the community your likely ideal audience is hanging out. If let's suppose my ideal audience mostly on LinkedIn, mostly on Instagram, who are trying to build their businesses from scratch and to grab $10K clients or 8 lakh rupees worth client. So I will be posting more content on LinkedIn and reaching out to few folks who have knowledge on this niche. Second thing is, after understanding the platform, I need to figure out the search terms, the language part. First of all, you need to be super specific what you are saying, because language can itself become a barrier in order to convey your thoughts, your knowledge, your expertise about your product. So you need to be language specific. You need to search keywords what your ideal audience is looking for, and you need to create content accordingly. For example, in the Instagram, when you are creating sales content, you can use sales hashtags. You can use some keywords related to the sales and the caption, which will make your audience, your content searchable. But if I'm creating sales content and I'm posting value for value, best friends hashtag, something like that is completely vague. My audience will not be able to search me if I'm using such vague keywords or hashtags. So you need to be super specific, research about your audience and understand what exact keywords they are searching for, so you can create content accordingly. And lastly, you must leverage the value of connection. You are on a social media platform, you are in a community, you are in a business forum. You need to connect with the right folks. You need to build out relationships. Yeah, because business, what is it all about? It is all about the attention and the relationships you have for the eternity. opportunity, till then your business survives. So if you are able to make relation with good folks, if you are able to make relationship with right audience, if you are engaging with your right audience, then eventually you will be making a connection and they will be seeking out for your help. Let me ask you one thing. Let's suppose tomorrow your leg got fractured. I'm not saying that that is going to happen, but I'm just giving you a scenario that your leg got fractured and you will be seeking out for the right doctor for your leg. So whom you will trust? A forum, or you can say a form glued on a wall, or your best friend or your family members who knows that doctor. So you will be trusting your best friend as well as your family members who will be suggesting that doctor. So try to build those relations. So if they will be seeking out for a guide or an expert, then you can recommend them your product or services and they will more likely to enroll in that. So by focusing on these 3 points, you will ensure your message is getting heard, your efforts are not going to waste, and you will be becoming a better lead magnet. So coming to the last phase, or you can say last second phase of this video, which is
Welcome, future sales master. Imagine you are waking every day knowing that you have the skill set to close any deal as well as the mindset to achieve the financial freedom. If you really want to become a sales expert, you need to hit the subscribe button, join the community of like-minded achievers so you can be pushed to your true potential and you can literally achieve the financial freedom in your life. So hit the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. Coming back to the video.
no begging lead magnet. So truly stop begging for your clients. You will be attracting them in a right manner. But for this, you need to exchange a valuable resource. Till now, we were researching about our audience. We were building a content authority engine which is going to attract your client. But you need some information from their side in order to contact them, right? For this, you need to curate a valuable resource so you can exchange with the customer's information. They will be downloading or receiving that particular valuable resource and they will be sharing their old personal details like their contact number, email ID in order to reach out. So it will help you to attract right individuals who are literally interested in your product or services, and they will be your right prospects to connect with, to convert from cold prospect to the right prospect. For this, you need to focus on 3 points. First of all, you need to build a irresistible value. Second, you must have clear CTA, and lastly, strategic promotion. So coming to the irresistible value, whatever the valuable resource you are providing, that valuable resource must be enough valuable that your client feel foolish to not download it, to not have it, to not take it from you, and they must download it in order to exchange their information. Secondly, clear CTA. Your title and the description of your lead magnet, your be valuable resource, not to be vague, because if you are writing anything over the title, over the description, then there will be more chances you will not feel as an authority and your client will not see you as an expert in that particular thing. So everything needs to be precise, specific, and in the end, a clear CTA must be there, which will guide them what they need to do after downloading your content. They can improve that sales process or whatever the process they are looking for your valuable resource, but afterwards there will be more problems they need to solve out. So how they will be reaching out to you, that's a clear call to action you need to write down in the end of the post. And lastly, you need to be strategically promoting your valuable resource on the right platform, just like we talked about. We talked about the right platforms earlier, right? Just like for me, it is LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. For you, it can be Business Forum, it can be Instagram, it can be LinkedIn, whatever works for you. You need to promote your valuable resource on that particular engine, forum, or community. So your ideal prospect will look into that. They will exchange their personal information and you can reach out to them. That's how you will be getting the information. We understand demographic, we build a content authority engine which is going to attract them. Afterward, we qualify them and we get our content seen by the right folks. Last, secondly, we will be sharing a valuable resource in order to get their contact information. And lastly, it's time to nurture them. So coming to the last phase of this video, which is nurturing your audience. At the NP chase follow-up that you don't need to do. Once you have attracted a right client, it's your duty and your authority to nurture them in order to make them aware about your next offers, your core offers, your product or services, and further things. But they will not be reaching out to you alone. You need to make some efforts. I am not saying that you need to be consistently calling them. You don't have to do that. Your content and further systems I'm introducing for you will work. So your followers must be focused on the value. You need to guide them rather than being pushy, being salesy, rather than making them say to purchase your offer. First of all, you need to understand you need to provide continuous value. Your game is not over. You provided the content to which they enrolled in your forum or in your community. Now you need to provide valuable content repeatedly in order to make them understand you are the expert in that niche. You are not someone who are just copy pasting the things from AI engines like ChatGPT or Gemini, something like that, just like other fake gurus are doing. You don't have to do that. You need to build your email list, nurture them weekly basis or bi-weekly basis, and accordingly you need to guide them what next problem they will be facing and what will be the issue you can make them help out. Second thing, you need to bring them. You just don't have to throw your emails, throw your content repeatedly. You need to bring them in your live Q&A session, just like I do on Instagram Live, YouTube Live, or you can bring them for some community engagement activities, something like that, which will give them a face-to-face overview about you, about your business, about your product or services. And lastly, you guide them, don't push. When they understand that they already solved a little problem through your valuable resource, now a bigger problem is already there for their business. Now they need to solve them. For this, they need to reach out to you. They need to purchase your core offer, and accordingly they will grow in their business eventually. So you need to guide them that you solve this problem, now you will be facing this problem, then this problem, then this problem. For this, the solution is this, and what is the solution that your core offer. You need to guide them. If you enroll in that particular service, you will be saving that much amount of money, blah blah blah. What will be the exact USP you have for your product? So I hope you understand the whole part, how you can generate $10K leads or 8 lakh plus clients, 8 lakh rupees worth client every month consistently. So this is the system. This is how you stop chasing begging for your clients and start attracting $10K plus leads every month consistently in order to grow your business. This is not something being louder or more aggressive. This is something setting yourself authority in that particular niche, setting yourself as an expert in that particular niche, and providing so much value at upfront that they will reach out to you when they have money and when they are ready to invest in their businesses. If you want to ditch the begging part, if you want to ditch the salesy part of your conversation and start building a lead generation system based on your expert system on your industry, then you need to subscribe now and let's transform the way you attract the high quality clients and how you need to close them. So we already understand how you need to build a system that will constantly attract $10K plus clients, but you don't know what exact sales training you need as well as your team need in order to grow in your business. For this, watch out this video now.